welded crystal. Today I will use our U25 welding torch to weld. And you can see its design of the front end is flat, you can see. And we usually use it to weld the dense bundles, like these custom samples. Okay, let's see the pneumatics. Okay, let's see the pneumatics. For example, like this pipe we are going to weld. And you can see it's fixed now. Before welding, we need to align the tungsten needle to the weld seam. We need to fill the argon gas into the pipe. And this side we need it closed. Okay. And the most important, don't forget this ground wire. Okay, the preparing work is finished. Dig a hole, start the gas button, and then start the machine. Okay, the welding is begin. Okay, the welding is finished. Let's see the welding effect. What do you think about this weld seam? It's very beautiful and flat, right?